This is Sarah again with Bob Moore Cadillac of Norman. So as you can see in this CT6, we've got that rear shade. Sometimes you guys have got your kids or you've got your pets in the back seat, or it's full of stuff, maybe balloons for a birthday party, and we can't always see out the rear view mirror. And this is where Cadillac has really been innovative. They were the first to offer the rear camera mirror. What that means is with this little flip of a switch, instead of me seeing just what's in the vehicle and a limited range behind it, I can increase my visibility behind me by 300%. So as you guys can see, I can almost see into the other side of the highway and see what traffic is doing over there. This is an additional camera that is mounted on the rear of the vehicle. This is not exclusive to the CT6. This is available on the Escalade, the XT4, the XT5, several of the different Cadillac models. And this is actually a second generation rear camera mirror. And what that means is it's going to be completely adjustable. So you can adjust the brightness. So if you're driving at night, you might want it to be a little bit dimmer. You can also adjust the zoom, so you can zoom in and out, as well as you can adjust how high up or how low it is going to show you information. So if you're driving and there's someone behind you, you can kind of adjust and really see everything that's going on behind you. This is completely optional. It's going to work at all speeds, unlike your backup camera that only works in under 7 miles per hour. But you can just flip that with a switch and toggle between checking on the sleeping infant in the back seat or checking on the highway behind you. So this increased visibility is going to help you immensely with safety, and it's going to open up your visibility beyond just that rear view window. Again, this is Sarah with Bob Moore Cadillac of Norman. Come see me if you have any questions.